We just got to the house in Florida. I gotta find Matthew. This motherfucker went on my bed. That's my bed, bitch. I said not to go on my bed. This was my bed when I stayed here, and this was Matthew's bed. So he's sleeping in it, and he left me a note on his bed. It says, "I will get you back if you mess with me, or just pay me $50. Why are you in my bed?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Why are you in my bed, bitch? I told you don't touch my bed. Don't look at my bed. Don't even think about my bed. You better get in your own fucking bed, bitch.
You have soft hands.
The ladies tell me the same thing.
Wow, my clothes didn't get wet. You have your clothes on.
Dude, why did no one send me this? Opening day, I'm sorry, I think you go to Recreation Center. Why did they put me in the newspaper?
Because I was the only one there.
You have a game tomorrow, right? He's the star right fielder. Alright, good night, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, what time want me to pick you up from school? Don't choke, dude. Chill. You're gonna be alright, man.
11.
So that. We just woke up, showered. We're gonna go get Matthew from school, or try to. It's like 2 o'clock. I feel like shit, dude. I'm sick. My throat's all fucked up, man. Alright, so I got a text this morning too from my cousin Skylar. She said, "This is Skylar. Can you pick me and Jonathan up too? If you pick up Matthew, it's not fair if one sibling goes home." So, we're obviously not gonna pick up Skylar. She just has to learn the hard way that life isn't always fair.
And Matthew Russell, please. Both boys. About 11. It's not even close to 11, it's 3.
I know, dude. I had stuff to do. You said you gotta run in the gym in the flip flops. Oh, because you thought you were getting picked up?
You don't like how I woke you up at 11?
Dude, no, don't do that shit. That fucking phone, dude, this phone was going off. The phone was going off. It was like, idiot, idiot, idiot. You're an idiot.
Idiot, idiot, idiot.
Can you pick me and Jonathan up too? If you pick up Matthew? It's not fair if you only pick up one sibling.
Oh, is that why? What, I have to stay in school? She gets to go out except for me? Oh, that must be exactly why. Yeah.
What do you think of that though?
Just pick Jonathan up, not the whiner.
You're the one whining, bitch.
Shut up.
What's up?
You shithead. Tomorrow night.
Oh yeah.
I've lied.
You know?
You gotta, your shirt's gonna smell bad if you don't take it off, so. Huh? Your clothes are gonna smell like cigarettes because they smoke cigarettes inside the house. Hi. Look. Look, right here. Look.
Matthew. I see Jonathan, and I saw Skyler the last time I was here. It came in Daniel's box, but I haven't been to your house.
Oh, Matthew got fan mail? What? Damn, dude, Beast, open that shit up. I bet it's some VCR tapes. What movie's that?
Star Wars.
Oh shit, the trilogy? Can you open the fucking package? Oh, they gave you the whole thing, dude. That's like some random fan's like home cassette tape. If you eat too many girls' vaginas, could that mess up your throat?
I have no idea. I can rate a girl's vagina.
Don't talk good.
Look at this bitch.
But they have to create it though. They have to make it.
We're back, motherfuckers. Alright, we're at Nando's. Chill out, dude. How is it? Love these, man. I'm excited for your baseball game. How do you think you'll do?
Very sanitary.
Get up! What are you doing? Matthew, get ready, dude. You got a game. This is the biggest game of the year. Alright, if you're watching this, Fuck Around Friday is going to be posted tomorrow at noon, Florida time. You excited for the game? You ready to get going? How do you think you're going to do tonight?
I'm the second best pitcher, but my coach never puts me in as pitcher. Probably saved my arm.
Yeah, he's probably just saving your arm for the Little League World Series, dude. How many games have you won?
4-letter word. It starts with a Z. and
0.
ends in
Dude, this is
O.
probably the shittiest hat I've ever seen in my life. What the fuck? Who fucking made these? Someone actually paid money for these hats. Look how bad that is. The fuck is this? I would give anything to go back to Matthew's time in my life. God, I wish I was 11 playing Little League. You gotta take advantage of it today, okay? This is the biggest game of your life. Dude, you look good, man. If you look good, you're gonna play good. Are you gonna watch Matthew's game? He's an all-star. Wow, look at you, dude. What a beast. This is the most important game of your life. Okay? You can do this, man. You can do this.
I can?
Let's go. Oh my. Look at him, his crow hops just shit. Landed on your back. I'm sorry. I didn't think people would actually show up. I swear. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh my god.
We'll save this for the game. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
No, it's not that. He thought that was awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Dang, this game is gonna be crazy.
I'm with my boy Danny Duncan.
What's up, man?
We're on Snapchat.
Just trying to break his neck.
I guess Mom needs one too. Come here. Awesome.
Cool.
And then one with me.
Oh, jeez.
Because he's my idol. No, it's not that.
Ma'am, do you know his password is 6969?
There's so I could call you.
No.
Could I please?
I'll put it in your mom's phone.
Alright, yeah, man.
Is this her phone or your phone?
Yeah, that's my phone.
Oh, okay. Just don't let him call me.
He'll be flying out to California to stay with you.
No, his mother will.
Hey, I love Cali. I'll come. I was
All right,
just there
whenever you
last week.
whenever you want. What? What's wrong?
Matthew,
Oh, dude, man.
is your head shaved still?
I just got a haircut.
Oh my. Fuck Fousey Tube, they're fake. They're pussies that are fake. Yes.
It's gonna be okay, dude. Chill. Chill. You want Matthew? Matthew, yeah! Woo! You're the best one out there. I need some milk. Team Mom.
Here, I know, right?
This is the best.
He said he wants to be with you.
Oh.
I didn't say that.
Here, let me talk.
I said you're gonna come visit me in LA,
Here,
and then we're gonna be together.
He's gonna get us a trip to LA.
No, her. Matthew, yeah! Dang, left field is better than right.
Wait.
He must have progressed. Wow.
He's watching his...
Yeah, Matthew! Woo! I bet he's so nervous. Boo! Boo! Yeah! Dang, they moved in a second.
I feel like he's gonna make a diving play.
11-1? Matthew didn't even get the bat, man. If you guys want ice cream, it's on me.
Yeah! Dude, my idol, man.
Yeah, dude.
Danny, can you
yes.
sign my Snapchat?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Thanks.
Oh. Dude, we gotta give that to Matthew for his room. Grab that. Dude, you're gonna be the star of this video. It's just you the whole time.
I need you to decorate his shirt.
No, dude, I'm not doing more. I'm not doing more of that.
It's the
strawberry and banana things.
Do you want me to make you a strawberry banana milkshake?
No. It has like strawberry, banana, and then you like mix it. And then you put whipped cream on it with the cherry.
Like a banana split?
No, it's not that.
To do a smoothie.
Oh.
We don't do smoothies anymore.
You don't do smoothies anymore?
No. But I can do a milkshake with strawberry and banana.
Aren't those like the vanilla that they're like all, it's that white thing and you put syrup in it and then a cherry on top.
Like a hurricane?
No, it's not that.
I'm like, you're working through the menu. I don't know what you want.
Alright.
Keep going, keep going.
What's that called?
This is Superman.
No, it's not that one. It's like that one.
Do you have the strawberry banana thing?
I ain't gon' say much. I'ma finish what's in my cup. Come over there with you.
I put that one in. Okay.
Thank you, Danny.
Anytime, man.
Is this on YouTube?
No, Vimeo.
Yes! I love me more. Get out of the way.
Come on, Matthew.
Look at this. Kiss him. Kiss.
Ooh, she kissed me.
Is this on YouTube?
You're the best. Goodbye, sons.
Alright.
I'm gonna win you this bear, man.
Yes.
Told you I was gonna win it. Where'd she go? Ma'am, remember I said I was gonna win you the bear? I won you the bear.
Thank you.
I told you.
I didn't know you was talking to me. I thought you was talking to him. I'm like, that's
No, I was like,
oh, thank you.
have a great night.
You too.
I'm gonna win you this, sir. Maybe. Are you ready, sir? Sir, are you ready?
No.
There it is. Sir, I won it for you. There you go. Sir. You didn't hear me? So, alright. Yeah, bitch, you want some of this? You can't hang with this. It's too strong. If you catch it, it's yours. Wow. You caught baseballs like you caught cheeseburgers, you probably shot it.
This is fucking Matthew. Oh my god!
Fucking shut up. Dude, fuck that guy. Kidding, he's cool. These are the greatest.
Cinesticks.
Yo.
What? I got something on there.
You got chicken?
Who gets chicken, dude?
Dude, it was part of the thing.
Did he bulking?
And pizza.
Why are they cut so weird?
Thin crust, I don't know. I was feeling it. What's up, guys? What time is it?
3:30.
It's like 3:30 in the morning, okay? I'm driving home. Alex has been editing the video. I'm driving home and I get pulled over because I'm going like 70, 75 and like a 55. So I get pulled over and I'm sitting there, I'm like, God, I was like, damn it. And I'm literally like, I'm like a mile from the house, okay? I just drove like, probably like 10, 15 miles. I'm like a mile away at 3:30, I'm tired. Get pulled over, the cop walks up like, you know, with a flashlight, sketchy, slow. I was like, hey, how's it going? He's like, Danny Duncan.
I knew it.
Dude, I swear to God, I swear to God. He goes, Danny Duncan. He's like, I follow you on YouTube. Dude, this is like, I know a lot of people in Inglewood and like, I know some cops in Inglewood too, but I've never met this guy. He's like, I follow you on YouTube. He's like, I love your videos. He's like, how's the new home in Los Angeles? And I was like, it's great, man. He's like, oh, this is awesome. He's like, you know, I really love that one video of your friend just throwing up. KFC. Swear to God, dude. I was like, dude, my phone's dead. I don't have a camera. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me right now? I was like, dude, I wanted to film it so bad. I was like, come on. He's like, all right, man, have a nice. No, he just doesn't give me. I'm taking no warning, nothing. Great day. Shout out to that guy. He's the hero.
So lucky, dude.
Swear, I was like, what the fuck?